We're gonna make our ribeye steaks in the Ooni Koda, see how they turn out. I'm a little skeptical. I think either doing them on the stove or doing them on the grill just makes more sense, gets a better product, and is easier to do. But let's give the Ooni Koda a try and see how it comes out. What else do I need to say? I'm gonna cook the ribeye steaks, asparagus, potatoes. I'm just gonna microwave the potatoes till they're soft on the inside. Gonna put a little olive oil on the asparagus, cook them, and then we're gonna sprinkle some sweet balsamic on them. All right, we got the asparagus cooking right now. They're looking pretty good. And then I'll cook the steaks. I'm gonna use your basic steak seasoning. I'm also just gonna throw on a little sliced garlic and some rosemary. Woo!
Strawberry.